We've been cleaning up Narrabeen Lakes. In an hour, this is what we collected from the shores of Narrabeen Lakes in Sydney, with 6 people just walking along the shoreline. Needless to say, some of it's stuck in the bags and won't come out. Look at this, polystyrene, drink containers, umbrellas, packaging, more packaging, hats, beer cans by the dozens. Guy, give Miyuki a hand.
This is my favourite piece of rubbish.
Wow.
Since 1970 for sure.
Look at that, that's Harry's favourite bit of rubbish. Woohoo!
1503 it says.
Oh,
There we go.
what was that?
Christmas decoration. Probably been there for 12 months. All right, one more bag to go. Chuck it all on there. Oh, and a towel, of course. Look at that. What a disgrace we are as a society. Guys, just get around. And the old obligatory traffic sign to boot. We should be ashamed of ourselves. Well, not us, we've been out, we cleaned all this up. But whoever let it get in this state should be ashamed of themselves. As a people, as a country, as a society, we can do a lot better.